The story begins with a boon asked before the divine, but the one who asked it did not see what would follow. Bound by cosmic law, even the gods could not undo what was once granted. And so from those words, the answer was born. Mahishasura was slain, and from his fall his sister Mahishi rose. Grief turned to fury, and fury grew into a desire for power. Leaving the world behind, Mahishi walked into the forest to perform tapasya. There she began severe penance, abandoning comfort, food, and rest. Standing on one foot upon a hill, her body weakened, but her will did not. Pleased by her long tapasya, Lord Brahma appeared before her. Mahishi asked that no god, demon, man, or beast could ever kill her, but only a child born of both Vishnu and Shiva. Bound by divine law, Lord Brahma granted the boon. Believing herself to be invincible, Mahishi rose in strength and pride. Taking the terrifying form of a buffalo, Mahishi attacked the gods and the world. Unable to withstand her force, the gods abandoned heaven. With the gods displaced, the balance of creation collapsed. To fulfill the condition of the boon, Lord Vishnu took the female form of Mohini. From the union of Lord Shiva and Mohini, destiny was set in motion. That union first manifested as pure divine light, and from that divine light, Lord Ayyappa was born. Sensing his arrival, Mahishi felt fear for the first time. Driven by desperation, Mahishi attacked Lord Ayyappa. With calm resolve, Lord Ayyappa struck her down with his bow. With Ayyappa's strike, the curse that bound Mahishi to a buffalo form was lifted, restoring her original form. With Dharma restored, Lord Ayyappa returned to the forest. Om Shri Hari Hara Putraya Namaha.